Let's read Dale Tiger's Neighborhood Potty Time. Did you know there are potties everywhere? Hi neighbor, my dad says you should always try to go potty before you leave the house. Even if you feel like you don't have to, you can still sit and try to go.
When you have to go potty, stop and go right away.
Oh, I guess I did have to go a little bit. Did you know what to do after you use the potty?
Flush and wash and be on your way.
Yes, that's right. Flush and wash and be on your way. At school, I have to go potty, but I don't want to stop playing. What should I do?
When you have to go potty, stop and go right away.
That's correct. You have to go to potty and stop and go right away.
Flush and wash and be on your way.
Uh-oh, we're at the music stop and I have to go potty. Should I try to wait till we get home?
When you have to go potty, stop and go right away.
Yes, that's correct.
Flush and wash and be on your way.
At home, at school, or out and about, there are potties everywhere. So remember, when you have to go potty, stop and go right away.
When you have to go potty, stop and go right away.
And then you have to flush and wash and be on your way.
Flush and wash and be on your way.
Hope you enjoyed Potty Time story.